It goes back to New York, where I rented a furnished room from when I worked, and then later on, even when we were first married, we lived in a furnished room, and we rented it from a woman who came from Russia, was highly educated with a Yiddish background, and all the people we met through her were highly educated, and I somehow sensed, gee, they really know more than my parents and the German Jews who thought they know it all. And that is what aroused my interest in Yiddish and Yiddish literature. And ever since, I started to read a lot.